told her don't worry, ma, I'm doing better. I wanted this one girl, but shit didn't go as expected, so fuck it, I had to forget her. I'm still the same nigga you would've met 10 years ago, only difference is now I got challenge. Still got a little something for this one girl I met her 2 years ago, but she could probably do better.
Oh yes sir, we are back. Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. It's your boy Zoe Blasphemous. Zoe with the flow. If you don't fuck with me, you gotta go, baby. Straight to it. So today, we reacted to FlightReacts getting roasted and violated for 11 minutes straight. Bro, as we all know, Flight, you are very successful, my nigga. You are my guy, and I fucks with you heavy, my nigga. Niggas still call you a walking L. That shit is tough, bro. You have taken some L's, but you most certainly have bounced back from them. You know what I'm saying? So we gotta show love when it's appreciated. I mean, not when appreciated, when it's due. You know what I'm saying? But look, man, we about to hop right into this shit, man. Let's see what Flight's fucking with, man. Let's see what Flight's on. This nigga's stupid, bro.
Yo, bro. Hey, I'm past the game, bro.
Nah, bro. Why you play like that, bro? Why you full court pressing all game?
That's how I win.
Well, that's why you're enjoying the pause screen.
You can't beat it. Okay, I'll enjoy the pause screen, but you're getting shitted on.
You have a cheap team. I have a more expensive team than you, bro.
Okay, so you're supposed to win, right?
You're retarded, nigga said I have a more expensive team. Like that was gonna be a point. Nigga thought he went so he had some with that one.
Exactly. Spend millions of dollars on this game and you're getting shitted on, okay?
Reader on this universe, bro, right now. You know what I'm saying? Like, my reading was so good, they was about to put me into a level that's not even, like, in school. You know how there's, like, special ed flight.
What?
You're not gifted, bro.
Yes, I am. Giftedly reading ability challenged. I mean, not challenged, but like giftedly reading ability talented, bro. Like, better my swag.
Like I said. But he's not that bad. I'm gonna give him a 6. He's a 6.
You give me a 6? Alright, man. Hold up, bro. Your standards are absolutely way too freaking high for a girl that didn't even feel like it.
First of all, my standards are high. You look like Sid the Sloth from...
Stop calling me Sid! Oh my gosh!
Forever called
Bro!
Sid, bro.
Bro, I don't like where this is going, man. Bro, alright, man. Bro, bro. And this is actually the end of the video either way, I think. 3 seconds left. Bro. No, man. No, man. No.
Wait, yo, Flight, how you do that though? What the fuck?
Do what?
Make your brush like your ass. Neck boy. Let me see you shut up, neck react. Shut up, you
Radio shack ass mics.
Shut up, bitch. You got a Burger King headset on, bitch. Take my order, you broke. This nigga hit a neck spurt overnight. That's nigga neck went from fucking 5 feet to fucking 12 inches overnight in this motherfucker.
Bro, your neck long as hell. God damn, Flight. Bro, his neck expanding. Bro, what if like a fucking reptile, bro?
Dude, that nigga point that shit out.
Like, it's Maggie, bro. I think this nigga got a polo fetish, my nigga. Like, this nigga wear a polo every fucking time.
I do.
He whoop his fucking
You know me
ass.
for I fuck with Ralph Lauren.
Neck boy.
Snag yours, if you say that one more fucking time, you bum bitch. You'll be snoring in this
Maggie,
nigga.
you singing, I need to add a little bitch.
He ain't nothing but a neck boy. Neck motherfucking boy. Hall of Fame neck extender. Nah, that nigga, it's not Hall of Fame, my nigga. That shit is fucking platinum or diamond, my nigga.
Infinity, how would the fuck you say that shit? You got the infinite neck
You don't
card
got
in
no
my
more
team.
neck, bro. You don't got no more upgrade for that neck.
This nigga got the infinite neck card on my team, my nigga. That shit costs 40,000 DC.
Like,
Yo.
nigga, why you my gambler? Nigga, why you my gambler? Nigga, why you mugging?
Look at Curry, man. Just trying to do great things in the world. You know what I'm saying?
Look at Curry, man. All right, bro. I'm gonna stop watching this video if I see something like that again, bro. That just ruined my day. See, I got fouled.
I thought you was about to call foul. Like,
I should have fouled. I got fouled. That just ruined my day. See, I got fouled.
I thought you was about to call foul. Like,
I should have, yo.
I thought you were about to call foul.
She's stronger than him. You put a bench press out here, I guarantee she could bench press more than Flight.
No.
Guaranteed.
I'm looking at
My bench press easy is at least 3.
Put it on! Okay, take back on everything. Hey, I might start doing take backs and everything too. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna keep.
Flight, you can't afford that. You won't score.
Okay. Take backs actually help you.
You won't score.
Take backs actually gives you more momentum dribbles and stuff like that.
Yeah, that's facts. You can't cook your own shot.
Yeah, I can.
You see yourself.
I'm an offensive threat.
You suck, bro. You trash, dog. Dude, look at yourself. What the hell you looking at? You wide up right here. What the fuck is your problem, man? You look stupid. I'm going for you today, bro. You look stupid. I look stupid because I'm going for you.
Yes.
Yeah, you know the name, girl. But I don't know what's so funny, but right off the bat again, both of these girls want me. You know what I'm saying? Why is you laughing? Why is you blushing, covering your mouth? Like, funny. I hope they do not see no bad rating because you make them so little dumb.
What are you rating him?
Bruh, I swear if these girls try me.
He looks like Sid the Sloth. I say.
Bro, I'm so sick of these girls talking crazy.
If one more person says I look like Sid on anything on social media, bro, I'm coming after you.
FlightReacts.
Yeah, look how good that boy looks. Shit! Look at my...
Hell to the no. You already know my answer. Pass. Hell to the no. He got a long neck.
What the fuck are you doing?
Wait, bro. If Cash wasn't in the way, bro. Bro, if Cash wasn't in the way, bro. That shit, bro. Fuck. No, bro. No way. There's no way.
What the fuck are you doing? What the
There's just no way. There's no way. How have I never seen this? This nigga started.
Oh, man, you can't make this up, yo. You can't make this shit up, bro.
You really can't.
Look, I put my cap over here, bro. Look at this.
Yeah, Cash moving. Cash moving.
Look. Like, it's not like...
There's just no way, bro. There's no way. Oh my god. There's just no way, bro.
Football, and I played basketball. Football was my first sport, bro. Like,
Yeah, you play your ass back. Every time you ask the coach to put you in a game, he said, get your ass back. Yeah, that's what you play in football.
40 times. What the fuck is this? Flight! What the hell is this? Nigga got a damn Kamehameha wave coming up there, bro. Nigga got Kamehameha going on, bro. What are you talking about?
Pussy yeah, nigga tryna come up off me. But what you heard, start riding curry dick. Cause all you f***ing do is ride curry dick. And you just run up on a nigga, wanna be his kids. Nigga, all you do is ride curry dick.
Y'all fighting like chickens.
What's up? What's up? Bro, what the fuck? My shit's glitching, man! Why is DGCA doing this shit? I didn't do that! 4,
turn around.
3, 2, 1.
Hey.
You should have shot that thing. Fuck!
Trying to pull up the pole on me? Trying to up the pole on me, boy? Trying to up the pole on right?
Bro, my fucking gun didn't shoot, man, nigga.
Come on. Come on, I want your shoes.
Just your punches, bitch. Dodging and weaving. Flow like the butterfly, sting like the bee. Bitch! Suck!
Come on, watch out. Lay down.
Oh my gosh, my
nigga. Lay down. Eat the dirt.
Get out of here with that shit, bro. I got more hits, bro. This nigga had 2 punches. One at a time.
Alright, I got you, bitch. How long it took you to get them goddamn neck tattoos done, bitch? That long ass neck. That's too much of a joke, kid. Shut the fuck up, bitch. No, you gotta shut up.
Come up to the top deck. Square up, nigga. Square up, nah. Square
bitch,
up.
I'm right here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, bitch. Boom! Boom! What's up? What's up? I ain't sneak you, bitch. I counted down, bitch. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? You for that sweet shit? Huh? Lucky I didn't try to run away, bitch. I'm not. Why did you even put this in the video, Cash? Like, Cash, Cash knows he's my homie, you know, and everything like that, and I'm just a blunt person, you know.
Oh, we know. You are what you eat. You eat blunts. That's why you're a blunt person.
That was pretty cool.
He's getting his first free throw attempt of the game here.
Hurricane.
Yo, how much you losing by, yo? Read me that score.
More rings. You look at the other numbers.
How much are you losing by?
Those 8 consecutive.
How much are you losing by?
Had to foul on that occasion to stop the clock. That's the enemy. So it's Los Angeles taking the W in a close one.
Horrible shot, like horrible shot. Horrible fucking shot. Horrible shot.
So bad. Oh my god, bro.
Yo, you aimed for the ceiling, bro. You shot the ball at the ceiling, Flight. What the hell are you doing, bro? The basketball this way, bro. Basketball hoop this way, bro. Not up there, bro. What the hell are you doing, bro?
All my niggas.
That was terrible. You got fucked there, bro. You absolutely got fucked there, Flight. I'm not even gonna lie to you. But look, man, that's gonna do it for this video, man. If y'all fuck with the content, y'all fucking with the kid, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. Do y'all thing, man. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one, man. Peace.
I'm on the top like a goat. I'm on the block with the pope. I'm on the block with a coat. I'm in Miami with coach. Nigga, we move like a coat. When I block like a coat.